You bought crypto, nice. But here's the weird part, it might not actually be yours. Sounds crazy? When you use apps like Binance or Coinbase, you click buy, you see your coins, and it feels like you own them. But in reality, the app is holding them for you. It's like giving your money to a friend and saying, can you keep this for me? You trust them, but it's still in their pocket. And if something goes wrong, the app crashes, gets hacked, or disappears, your crypto can disappear too. Now, here's the smart way. A private wallet like MetaMask or device like Ledger Nano X. No middleman, no asking permission, just you. You are in control. In crypto, everything comes down to one thing, the key. If you don't control the key, you don't control the crypto. So keep it simple. Use exchanges to buy, use private wallets to store. That's it. Most beginners learn this too late. Now you won't. Thank you for watching.